Yo, what's going on, everybody? I'm actually coming at you here, and it's Wednesday actually, but I'm filming this. Let's pretend it's Monday, so that means it's time for the weekly update. Got a little one here, and just got back from the gym. But I remembered. I think this morning I was like, "Oh man, did I do a weekly update this week?" And I looked at my videos and like, nope. So that's the second week in a row that I think I've been late on this. My bad. But hey, if you're brand new to the channel, I do three things here. Show you how to increase your income so you can take back your freedom, so you can design your ultimate lifestyle. Bless you. Whether that's you're doing it around a family like I do, or you're solo and you're just doing your thing, trying to figure out what path you want to take. I'm passionate just about documenting my journey, going from zero to over $30,000 a month now, and teaching others how to do the same thing. Right, buddy? All right. So let's get into it. We are less than a month away from the Cancun Mastermind, the Self-Publishers Cancun Mastermind. And I am just so freaking excited. We are almost sold out. And I've been talking to a few other people who are just getting their tickets. I'm just going to prop my leg up here. Getting their tickets, everything organized, getting flights and everything, transportation, getting all that figured out. So it looks like we are going to sell it. So if you haven't got your ticket, there's going to be a link in the description. You can sign up to go. It's just going to be nuts. But having said that, that's one of the reasons I've been kind of slacking on the videos, and things have just been insanely busy with preparing messages and coordinating everything, getting all the events, the excursions, getting everything, cross the T's and dot the I's, so to speak. It's a big event. There's a lot that's going into it. So I've just had to shift my focus towards that. But you know what? There's not really an excuse here. I'm not trying to make one. It is what it is. So the next, probably 30, 40 days is going to be a little scattered, a little all over the place. But, that's what running a business is. That's what running your own business is. And, sometimes life is just not perfect, and you can't do everything on a set schedule. You can't, right? There's just things are thrown sideways. You have to, you adjust, and you move you keep moving forward. But sometimes you move off to the left, sometimes you move off to the right, but as long as you're still moving forward, there's progress in my books. Hey, so let's talk about a life lesson I learned yesterday. And it's funny, I literally almost flipped the table. And that would have been the camera gone, the computer gone, mic's gone. But I didn't. I just threw my water bottle as hard as I freaking could and broke it. Yesterday, I filmed like it was, I don't know, it could have been an hour, it could have been like 35 minutes. But a full tutorial on how to make $10,000 a month with Kindle Publishing, basically what I've done. And it was a full tutorial. I was going to use it, the channel and different things for you. And when I finished it, it crashed. The program I was using crashed. Could have been due to the fact that memory was low on the computer, but I had like 12 gigs. I checked before. I'm like, 12 gigs. This will be about maybe two once it's finished, but apparently it likes to use up a lot more than that, and then when you save it, it shrinks it, or I don't know, some bullshit system like that. But oh my lord, I was mad because I don't really like filming those type of videos because they just, no, let me back that. I like doing it raw, and I did a lot of keyword research and found some profitable keywords and some not profitable keywords, and now I have to try to duplicate that same process. But I really wanted you to see it raw. So I'm going to use different keywords this time around, so you can still see how I do my keyword research raw, because, people struggle with that. And, I think what you'll take from that is not the particular keywords, but how I find the particular keywords and use one to find more, and so on. So I'm going to do that again today, but here is the lesson. I was just furious. I was fuming. I shut down for the rest of the day, played some Metal Gear Solid, and just chilled. But, a few hours later, I started thinking, I'm like, okay, oh, don't start crying yet. We're not done the video, please. Okay. Stay happy. Stay happy. It's almost Cancun. It's almost Cancun. Yeah, there you go. And, I was thinking, all right, why did this happen? Could I blame the computer? Could I blame the program? Blame myself? But bottom line is, I know these type of videos pull well, and they do well in terms of YouTube. So this time I get to do it a second time, and I get to make it even better. And after realizing that and thinking about that and not getting upset about wasting an hour or, having to do it for another hour today, screwing up my day. And, I was like, man, now I really get to make sure this video is as polished as possible. So maybe it was kind of a blessing that it's kind of screwed up and all of that. But, so it's always good, like a couple hours later, to take a step back at, whatever went wrong and say, how can I find some positive in this? How can I find, how can I turn this positive into negative? How can I, what's the saying, make lemon out of lemonade? How can I make lemonade out of lemon? Right? Daddy needs some lunch. But, it still sucks, but at least now y'all going to get a much better tutorial of how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month with publishing. So it'll work out for you. And what was the other thing I wanted to talk about? Do you remember? Hey, do you remember? You're falling asleep. All right. Of course you are. Okay. Yeah. Other than that, no. You know what? Things have just been crazy. And that's just some of these updates I know might not be the most exciting things or that's it, but that's kind of just how this type of business is. A lot of the times I'm in the house spending it on the computer and, things go right, things go wrong, whatever the case is, you're learning, that's all it is. So anyways, all right. So I'm going to shower, eat some lunch, and get the family out of the house so I can get on this recording. And I got some good videos coming up here for the channel over the next little bit. But yeah, cannot wait. Hey, if you're not signed up for the Cancun Mastermind, what are you doing? Sign up. Only a couple seats left. But sign up. Links in the description. Till next time, everybody. We'll speak to you all soon, all right? Take care. Say take care. Take care.